Hi, I want to speak English well. That's why I started this 21 days challenge. 21 days challenge is nothing. It is only a 21 days continuously speaking in English. And today I made a decision because sometimes I feel scared and also made mistakes. So I decide I will start 21 days challenge. So today is my first day, and I have to speak 2 minutes or 3 minutes continuously for remove my fear and build up my confidence. And you also a beginner or learner, so you can also start this kind of activity at your home. You can record your video by your camera, and after that you can listen your voice, and it will totally show how you are confident when you speak anything in English. Speak anything, any story, any experience, any event, incidents. Speak anything. I am also speak like this. I speak my goals, my experience, any incident. Actually, I am not a teacher. I am only learner, just like you. I also feel scared and feel nervous when I'm speaking. Because of that limitations, I started this playlist. I made a playlist, 21 days challenge, where I am continuously speaking 2 to 3 minutes every day, every 21 days, and I publish 21 videos. After that I will share my uh, progress in English communication. And I will happy to tell you how I will look like after 20 days. Today is my first day, so you can check my fastest experience, because today I hesitate, but I suppose, or I believe, after 21 days, I can see improvement in myself. And if you want to participate in this channel, is challenge, 21 days challenge, speaking challenge, so you can comment here, and say, I am ready to speak up, because this is speak up channel. And my name is Kusum, and I am happy to share my journey with you. And please support me. It will boost my confidence. Please subscribe, and for daily updates press bell icon and like my videos. Because after multiple thoughts, or after multiple thoughts, I made this decision and make this channel and made this playlist. So please support me, and also comment here if you are a beginner, or you start this your journey. So thank you so much. We will meet in my tomorrow, my day second. Bye bye.